Unveiling the Fire Escape, your safety exit explained. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, fire escape. You've likely seen this term on building plans, safety instructions, or in movies. But what does it exactly mean? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a fire escape is but also why it's such a crucial element of building safety. A fire escape is a special emergency exit, usually found on the outside of a building, designed to provide a safe route of escape in the event of a fire. The key features of a fire escape include stairs, ladders, or ramps that are metal and lead to the ground level. Unlike regular exits, fire escapes are specifically meant for use when the usual exits are blocked or unsafe due to fire. Fire escapes are critical for safety because they ensure that people have a way to leave a building quickly and safely if there is a fire. They are part of a building's fire safety plan and are mandatory in many types of buildings, especially those that are tall or have large numbers of people inside. They are designed to be easily accessible and easy to use even in the panic of a fire. Using a fire escape should be straightforward, but it's important to be familiar with some basic guidelines. Locate your nearest fire escape in advance. In case of a fire, stay calm and move to the fire escape quickly. Do not use elevators during a fire. They may become traps if the power fails. Once on the fire escape, descend carefully but swiftly. If you encounter smoke on the fire escape, cover your nose and mouth with a cloth to filter out the smoke. Always keep the path to the fire escape clear of obstructions. Regularly check that the fire escape is in good repair. Practice using the fire escape if possible, so you're prepared in an emergency. Remember, in a fire escape is often the quickest and safest route out. I hope this video has shed light on what fire escape means and how it serves as a critical safety feature in buildings. Remember, safety is paramount, and understanding how to use a fire escape properly can make a big difference in an emergency. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.